Getting stuck can be scary. But with code, we can find a way to solve so many problems. Minecraft Hour of Code invites you to the escape estate for a new challenge. Solve puzzles in each room using blocks. Or Python. Code your way out by dawn to earn 1,000,000 emeralds. And discover the power of computational thinking. Everyone's invited. Download Minecraft Education Edition and do an hour of code today.